The sounds of silence. Does the sun make any noise when it sets? Peep and Chirp are trying to find out. That's why they're being so quiet.
So, after I woke up, I stretched a few times, and then I yawned, like that. No, wait, I yawned twice. That's right, I yawned twice, and then I said...
We are trying to listen, remember?
Oh, yeah, sorry. So then I said, hello to the fish, and they said, hello back, only they have little voices, so it sounded more like, hello! Kind of like that.
Quack, we won't be able to hear the sun touch the water if you keep on talking.
Oh, right. Gotcha. I'm good. Want to see how long I can hold my breath? Watch this. Oh, boy, that...
You are the loudest duck I ever knew. Could you please be quiet? Chirp, look! We are trying to hear the sunset.
Ah, too bad. You just missed it.
What? Quack's right. Oh, well.
And we couldn't hear a thing because Chirp was talking. Huh. What's up with her?
Chirp soon forgot about being mad. The next day, she was over at Peep's house, listening for worms.
What does a worm sound like exactly? I'm not sure, but if we're really quiet, we might be able to hear them moving.
Oh, what duck is a doodly-dum, a daddly-doo, and yes, we're wonderful. Hi, Peep. Hi, Chirp. Hey, you want to hear my new song? It's all about ducks. Quack.
We're listening for worms.
Really? Well, let me help you. I got great ears. If the worms are making noise, I'll be the first one to hear it. Yep. Let's just get in there. Oh, boy, that's good. Oh, boy. Yep. Great ears. You may not know this, but duck ears are a miracle of nature. Duck ears and duck feet. And also duck wisdom. Oh, so I guess that makes 3 miracles of nature.
What is the matter with you? Why can't you ever be quiet?
I can.
No, you can't.
Can.
Can't.
Can! I can be quiet anytime I want.
Prove it.
Fine. I will not speak another word until you beg me. See? I am closing my lips for good. Until you beg me. Starting right now.
Are you saying that you won't speak again until I beg you?
Exactamundo. Oops.
But Quack, I don't want you to be quiet. I mean, sometimes it might be nice, but not all the time.
I know. This will be a difficult experience for us all, Peep. But we'll come through it.
You can't stay quiet for 2 seconds, Quack. You'll never last.